FSDB Pineapple PD Tech Tidbit, Wakelet. Do you enjoy making lists? Organizing information? Do you want a place that you can collaborate and throw in different resources? You need to try Wakelet because it's offered online free for educators, and it'll make your dreams of the perfect list possible. Using Wakelet, you can develop lists easily and add links, videos, resources, photos, all these different things thrown into one to make the perfect list. And you can do it on specific topic or content needs. Also, students can collaborate by using your set Wakelet. Students can share information, answers, collect content, and throw it all together to create a list. So what you need to do is go to wakelet.com, develop your free Educator account. Now you're ready to set your first collection. Hit New Collection. In that new collection, you can easily add content. How? You just have to hit the plus. The plus will open up a menu option for you. You can select videos, you can select documents, you can select Kahoot, different links, all these different options. You put all these together and it forms a perfect list. Now you can share it with your students. Click the share button, and the options are QR code or a link to embed into Teams or Google Classroom, whatever way you plan to communicate with your students. Share does mean it's view only. Another option is Collaborator. Hit Collaborator. Share that link with students, and students can add information, delete, edit your Wakelet. I recommend that you look at the website, wakelet.com. Hit Surf School. That resource has an educator guide and a remote learning guide. Both will support you through this new process and journey. And you can follow them on Twitter @Wakelet. Are you ready to ride the wave?